Hello, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed the first one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I have a little bit of a funny story to start off this weekly vlog. So I've been applying to jobs all morning, of course, because what else have I got to do with my life? And I applied to one job for a community manager, community building on socials and stuff. And it sounded quite cool and I love that side of social media. So I was like, okay, let me apply. Half an hour after I applied, I got a message from the recruiter on LinkedIn saying that he was really interested and sent me a link to a questionnaire that I needed to fill out before we could schedule an official interview. And I was like, this sounds kind of dodgy, but I'll look into it. Bear in mind I hadn't done a full search of the company when I originally applied, and that's on me. Like, I'll be honest, I should have done that first. So I looked at this questionnaire and I was like, something seems off. Like, it just seemed a bit strange. So I googled the company and I didn't really agree with what they were selling and what they were trying to do, because basically they were trying to sell products to old people and essentially scam them, and obviously I don't want to be involved in that. And I should have looked into the company before I applied. Lesson learned, I guess. So I did some more digging because I was like, this website looks a bit weird, and I typed into Google, is brand name a pyramid scheme? Because judging by their Facebook group account that they wanted me to manage, it kind of sounded like they wanted people to be selling the product and then making money, and then the money goes back up to them, right? And so I googled it, and the first thing that comes up on Google was the website name is a fraudulent online store. So I don't think I'll be taking my application for that position further. Great start to the week. Good morning everyone, I have several errands to run today. I've got to pop to B&Q, got to go feed the cats, I've got to buy some bowls from TK Maxx. But some good news from yesterday that I forgot to mention yesterday. I have 2 job interviews on Friday, which is pretty exciting. And this evening I'm hanging out with my old co-workers, which is very exciting as well. I can't wait to see them and catch up with them. So yeah, should be a good day. I'm very nervous about the interviews though. So whilst I was out, I bought some Christmas things which I didn't need but I wanted. So I bought some baubles, I bought some new baubles, and I also got this really cute little Christmas tree. It's fake, it's not real. I just thought it would look really cute sat on my desk, and to be honest, I could go back to IKEA and buy a couple of more because I reckon it would look cute just dotted around the flat. So I might do that eventually. These are the bowls that I got from TK Maxx because we needed some new bowls. So I've now done my makeup and my hair. Well, I've actually curled it today, and I am going to go feed the cats. Me and Toby are going out for dinner tonight, and then I'm off to meet my friends, like my old work colleagues, for a bit of fun this evening. Good morning everyone. Today is a very exciting day. I have 2 packages to open. If I turn this around, you'll know instantly what it is, so I'm not going to do it straight away, but we will open it together in a minute. But first, we're going to open this one because I ordered a jumpsuit off Vinted and it arrived and I need to try it on. So we're going to do that. Okay, this is the jumpsuit. It's a little bit baggy. I don't know if it's meant to be like that. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's quite comfortable and I quite like it and I think it suits me. I don't know. It's cool. I mean, this is it done all the way up and it is very like baggy here. Look at that. But I think that's also just because it's a zip. But if I, you know, undo it like that, it's not so bad. Kind of cool. Unsure. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, the second item that we're going to be unboxing is this. And this is a YouTube silver play button. And it's mine. What? So let's unbox it together. How do I unbox it? I've watched Jack Sucks at Life unbox many of these, so you would think I would know how to do this. Okay. Bit of foam. Oh my gosh. We have a package by Rick card. If you watch Jack's videos, you'll know Rick is the guy who does most of these packaging for silver play buttons. And then of course we have the YouTuber letter, which is signed by the CEO. And here it is. Oh my goodness me. Wow. Wow. That is something. So it's in a little plastic bag. So let's take it out. Guys. Wow. I have a silver play button. Honestly, this is so dirty. What the hell? Also, it feels A, lighter than I thought it would feel, and B, a lot more plastic than I thought. I think it is metal, it's just maybe cheap metal. I don't know, I'm talking rubbish. But I have a 100,000 silver play button YouTube plaque. What on earth is life? And now, if you didn't know, this is through my previous job that I recently left. It is for the Veed Studio YouTube channel, which hit 100,000 subscribers the week before I left, or 2 weeks before, I can't remember. No, I think it was the week before I left. And so it is very kind of them to send me one because I did contribute to the YouTube channel. I'm not gonna lie, I would have been disappointed had I not got one. It is bittersweet, I'm not gonna lie, because, you know, I don't work there anymore and it is sad. And last night I met up with my old colleagues and we had so much fun. It was such an amazing night and I'm actually seeing them for lunch today as well. I say lunch, it's bottomless brunch, so wish us luck. And this is how I got it because they gave it to me. So it is bittersweet because I no longer work there, but I did contribute. And so I feel privileged that they wanted to give me one even though I don't work there anymore. Who knows, maybe one day I will have my own one that has my own name there. I doubt it, but this is pretty cool. I'll be honest. And you know, my whole life I have been making YouTube videos since I was 9 years old, and to finally have one of these is actually a pretty cool achievement, I'll be honest.
Stop the window! Oh, that's it? Okay, that's it, they're coming. Wow. You actually did it first.
It's triggering you a bit more than I thought.
His voice is a bit unproductive. Yeah. My PT's in there.
Good morning everyone. I have been rejected by a job this morning, but I've also applied for several more. I'm currently on a total of 70 jobs applied to, so yeah. And I've got my 2 interviews tomorrow. I've done some research on the companies and trying to prep myself for these interviews because I haven't had an interview in like 3 years, so it's a scary process. I feel like I've achieved a lot this morning, so that's nice. I still haven't found a place where to put my silver play button. I was thinking here, but there's so much on here. Maybe I could put it in the living room. I feel like it is an achievement that I want to show, so maybe I should put it in the living room, but I don't know where. Gotta think about that one. Good morning everyone. I have my first interview in half an hour. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but it is only a quick like 10-minute chat about the position. I don't think it's a proper formal interview. I'm nervous because I have to go through the whole interview process, but I think this first one in the morning will be okay. And then I have my second interview just after 3 p.m, so that's in the afternoon. My throat is starting to go, which is not ideal because I have to talk about myself in 2 interviews today. I will catch up with you after I've had them. So I just finished my interview for the first place. It actually went pretty well, so it's exciting. She said I'd either hear back tonight, but more likely next week, to see if I made it through to the next stage. I now have to go sort out the fridge. So I have my next interview in about 45 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I've been a little bit anxious about this one, mainly because it's such a huge company here in the UK, which is exciting because that's incredible that such a huge company are thinking of potentially hiring me, but also it's like big corporate lingo, and that is not me. I am not a corporate girly. So I think I've just been getting in my own head a little bit. And so I've just been sat under my weighted blanket this afternoon, and I think the fact that I'm feeling that this is kind of like an indication that this job is not right for me. I get like this when I know it's not right. I'm anxious, that's what it is. So I've got 45 minutes. I'm gonna keep myself busy, edit some of this vlog, and then I'll catch up with you afterwards. Just had my second interview, which I was very anxious before, as you would have seen in the previous clip, but it actually went very well, I'm not gonna lie. And I didn't think I was particularly interested in the job, but after having a chat about it and seeing the potential for what could be done with the socials, it's actually very much changed my mind. So I'm in a good mood, which is nice, because I'm off to the theatre this evening with Saf, and we're off to see Operation Mincemeat. This will be my 4th time seeing that show because it is amazing. So I'm going to meet up with her later, and I thought I was going to be in a sad mood because I thought the interview for this job was not going to go well, but it actually went really well. Yeah. I'm vlogging my unemployed life.